everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Today I'm going to be trying something out. We'll see if it works. First, let me say thank you to everyone who has been purchasing my new CD, Better Than Chocolate. Thank you for the folks who are leaving kind words about it, good reviews. It means a lot. There was a lot of love and effort that went into that, and a lot of heartbreak and getting over said heartbreak and finding ways to make that heartbreak funny into writing the songs. So thank you for appreciating that. I appreciate that. All right, so today the colors we have, some of these colors have been kind of cast off to the side, some leftovers from other paintings. So I'm kind of guessing what they are, and I don't know if there's silicone in them. I don't think so, but I could be wrong. This color may have silicone in it, and I believe this is the metallic cobalt blue. This is for sure the light blue permanent in basics, and I have this color here, which I believe is metallic blue and artist off. And I have the silver in artist loft. I think I have those colors correct. There might be a little of something mixed in with something else. I do that all the time. So I'm gonna do a ribbon pour, but I want it to be a twisted ribbon pour. I want it to look like the ribbon is twisting. So we're going to see if I can make that happen. You know, when you're going to try a new technique, it's always a good idea to do a dry run. Literally a dry run. So, you know, if you're going to think about it and you're going to pour your cup, and how am I going to turn this? Maybe I'll turn it that way, and then, I don't know, maybe I'll turn it back. I don't think I'll do that. I think I'll just do one and twist it and then come out. And just do like a single twist. So doing that, you know, kind of helps you get the idea of what to expect. I do dry runs all the time. If I'm doing a big canvas, especially, I'll do a dry run of just the tilting of the canvas to make sure that I have the motions correct. So these colors, because they were pre-mixed, I don't know if they're Floetrol, if they're another pouring medium. So what I did was I just put Liquitex pouring medium in everything, in all of the colors that were left over, because they had thickened up some. But then the colors that I just mixed, I also used the Liquitex pouring medium. There is Floetrol in the base coat in the black, and that is the Artist Love Flow Acrylic in black. So there is some Floetrol in this, but not a whole lot. And just because that gives me a little bit more work time. But I am expecting to probably get some texture in the ribbon. That always seems to happen when I use pre-mixed paints, and I'm not sure what was in them. It gets interesting. You get texture. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to lay down this base coat. I do have this mixed relatively thick. I don't want cells. I mean, if I get them, I get them. I usually seem to get them whether I want them or not. But I'm not going for it, so we'll see. So now I'm going to fill this cup. And what I'm doing is, because I'm going to be pouring from the side, I'm not going to pour from the spout. I don't want it to come to a point. I would rather it be a little wider. I'm going to pour from the side. So I'm going to pour these side by side. And I will do the same with these colors. Okay, that's what it looks like. Here we go. Wish me luck. Let me get this stuff out of the way. Oh, come out the side. It's not coming out how I want already. Dang it. Well, not quite. I need a better cup, I think. That was pushing it to one side. But let's make this pretty anyway. All right, I've got my air compressor set at about 30. I'm just gonna give this some wisps. Okay. Although I didn't get the exact ribbon effect I was going for, and it didn't come out of the cup the way I wanted it to, scoundrel, by blowing just that side, I still kind of get that effect that something's going on there. Debating whether to blow this side, but I kind of like that effect. I'm kind of digging on that. It still somewhat has a twisted look to it, sort of. So let's just pop some bubbles. Okay, that's it. I'm leaving it alone. Bring it in for a close-up. Okay, here it is. It's got some pretty stuff going on. Some very pretty lacing. It's an interesting piece. There's a lot of texture going on here because of all of the metallics. And once this dries, because of all those metallics, this should really be popping off the canvas. I'll be excited to check that out. I'll post the dry piece in the next video. I will try to remember to do that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. I did. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. If you find these videos helpful, please check out the description box below and pay a visit to the PayPal tip jar. It is greatly appreciated. Helps me stay stocked up in supplies so I can keep bringing you this fresh content. Also, in the description box is the link to my Amazon store, which I have links to almost all of the things that I use in these videos. And anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, if you enter through that link, I make a small commission of at no additional cost to you. So that is very helpful to me as well. My website, GinaDeLuca.net. The link is there. You can purchase my artwork or my music there. And last but not least, of course, our group, Go Make Some Art. Join us on Facebook. Post your masterpieces. Ask your question should you find yourself in a painting pickle. Or just come over and get some inspiration. Okay, you guys, that's it for me. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.